Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you have to do a lot of lawn mowing like I do, then you know how annoying it is to have a blade that just knocks the top of the grass off instead of actually cutting it. I started using this Diamond 120 grit lawnmower blade sharpener from UF Sharp, and I am loving the way that it makes my grass look. This was so simple to use. We have used it on 3 different types of power drills, and definitely the more powerful the drill is, the faster and easier the sharpening is going to go. This sharpener is all metal, so it's going to be long lasting, and you can actually use both sides of the sharpener. As you can see, we have a rider mower, and we use this on both the blades on that, and again, we're just so happy with the results. You can see how dull these blades were before we sharpened them, and then look how better they are and how sharp they are after we're done. Don't settle for less than optimal results when you mow your lawn. Get yourself one of these blade sharpeners. You're going to love it, and that's my point of view.